How much weight is it rated for?
That's a great question. I don't know. You can find it out.
I probably shouldn't sit on it.
No, I don't recommend sitting on it.
But it could probably hold, like, your griddle.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Evan with the Adventures of Rogers and Henderson here. This is the Turn Off-Road tailgate table for the 6th Gen Bronco, and today we're going to show you how to install it. Stay tuned. First step is going to be to remove your accessory ready panel, and you're supposed to use a trim hopper for these, but I've taken it off so many times it just comes off on its own. The next step, you have to identify these slots here. There's 6 of them. That's where our riv nuts are going to go. Now, you will need a riv nut tool. I bought this cheap one on Amazon. It did come with a step down bit for drilling this out, so we're gonna have to go ahead and drill this out. And go ahead and repeat that process on all the rest. Alright, once you got all your riv nuts installed, it's time to lift the table into place and get the bolts started into the riv nut. And we're just going to use these to support the weight. We're not going to tighten them down completely. Alright, once they're all in and threaded, you can go ahead and tighten it down. Just double check that it's level. I'm going to use these as a sight guide across the top. There is a little bit of adjustment. Alright, that's in. And then opening it is just pressing these 2 tabs and it drops down.
How much weight is it rated for?
That's a great question. I don't know. You can find it out.
I probably shouldn't sit on it.
No, I don't recommend sitting on it.
But it could probably hold, like, your griddle.
Yeah. So, one more piece to puzzle. As long as this fits, then I think.
With room to spare.
Boom.
But it is cool that it fits.
Alright, so that's it. The install is done. Much like all our other Turn Off-Road products, we love that it comes with all the hardware that it needs. Any piece that mounts to a body panel comes with foam backing to make sure, one, that it's a quiet ride, there's no squeaks when you're driving down the road, and to help protect the paint a little bit. But this thing is perfect for what we need it for. We need just more space in the Bronco, so like when we're going to be off-roading. If we need to set something up or take something out of the back, instead of setting it down in the mud or in the dirt, we can just set it here on the tailgate table. It's perfect for if you're tailgating. You don't, even if you're not an off-road person, this thing will still come in handy for 99% of Bronco owners. So it's super affordable. I'll put a link for it in the description. But yeah, this thing will come in handy on the Rubicon. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night.